Attention Hyundai owners, a massive recall has just been announced, and it could impact your safety on the road. Nearly 600,000 vehicles are being called back. If you drive a Hyundai Palisade or an Ioniq EV, this update is for you. Stay tuned, because I'll break down exactly which models are affected, what the risks are, and how you can fix the problem at no cost. Let's start with the biggest group, the Hyundai Palisade. More than 568,000 Palisade SUVs built between 2020 and 2025 have a potential seatbelt buckle issue. The problem is simple but dangerous. The buckle might not latch properly, especially in cold weather. That means in a crash, the seatbelt may fail to protect you or your family. Safety experts call this a serious risk, which is why Hyundai has no choice but to issue this recall. But that's not all. Hyundai's electric lineup is also affected. The company has recalled more than 31,000 Ioniq 6 AVS from model years 2023 to 2025. The issue? A faulty charging port door that can detach or fail to close properly. While it may sound small, this can expose the charging port to water, dust, and other damage, leading to safety hazards or charging malfunctions. And if you drive an Ioniq 5 from 2025, there's another issue. Just 8 of these vehicles are being recalled due to loose fasteners that could cause parts to shift while driving. Small numbers, but still important. So, what should you do if your car is on the list? Hyundai will be sending out official recall notices by mail, but you don't have to wait. You can visit Hyundai's recall website or the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration website. Type in your vehicle identification number and instantly check if your car is affected. The good news is that all repairs will be done free of charge at Hyundai dealerships. If you have a Palisade, the seatbelt buckle will be replaced. If you have an Ioniq 6, the charging port door will be repaired or replaced. And for Ioniq 5 owners, those loose bolts will be tightened. This isn't just about small technical issues. Seatbelts are your car's first line of defense in an accident. A weak buckle means a higher chance of injury in a crash. For EV owners, a charging port failure could mean costly repairs if ignored. That's why Hyundai wants drivers to act quickly. So, if you or someone you know drives a Hyundai Palisade, Ioniq 6, or Ioniq 5, make sure they know about this recall. Share this video, check your VIN, and get the repair done as soon as possible. Your safety and the safety of your loved ones is worth the trip to the dealership. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more important car updates, and drop a comment below if your vehicle is affected. Stay safe out there.